What is going on, everyone? Sorry about the noise. I'm actually in a park and ride garage here right next to the interstate. I've had a couple requests, even though there's a couple other videos on YouTube. I've had a couple requests for doing a light show at nighttime. Two problems with that though. One is that none of my cameras are good in low light situation, like dark. So if you do a light show at night, all you see is a bunch of bright circles and you really don't enjoy it as much. I feel like here in the parking garage where it's dark, it's 8:15 at night, so the sun's going down. I think this is going to give the best demonstration here. But another thing is, technically being after 8 o'clock, we're supposed to be home. I don't know if you guys have been following it. It's basically becoming a national thing at this point. I'm not going to get into it, but if you want to know what's going on, just look up George Floyd, Minneapolis. There's huge riots and stuff going on. They got National Guard and Army on standby and everything. We're all supposed to be home and inside by 8, so I'm going to hightail it home right after this. Without further ado, we're going to do the light show here with the Tazer. So again, I think I showed it in the Tazer video, but you can do it with the key fob by just doing unlock, unlock, lock, unlock, and it should start the first light show. Yep. Now it comes with 6 total light shows and the ability to create your own and add 3 more. So you can have 9 total. But you can see even here with this much light, you know, the lights are so bright, it just kind of messes up the camera. But I mean, you can see it looks pretty cool. I'll do a walk around. I guess this will end up being a slightly longer video just due to walk time. I'll do all 6 light shows just so you can see the different ones from front to back. So this is still number 1 right now. All right, now by hitting the unlock button again, it'll switch to number 2 light show. Some of them are not as cool and they are more lame compared to the other ones, but you know, to each their own. I'm going to show you all of them anyways. All right, we're gonna switch to number 3. That one's pretty cool. Four. Kind of like a strobe effect from one side to the other. Here's 5. And 6. And then to end the light show, lock. And that's it. So hopefully this video was what you guys wanted. If you really do want one in like the pitch black, let me know and I'll make one. But I really don't think it's going to turn out on camera, so I think this is the best of both worlds. But if you really want one in the pitch black, I can do one when all this BS going on around here is over, and I can post that as well. Thanks for watching. Check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to smash the like button. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Somebody was having fun over here. Look at that. No, it wasn't me. If it was, I'd probably brag about it. Suburban down.